Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel using milk. First, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently to moisten all the sugar. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil without stirring. This initial step is crucial for a smooth caramel base. Keep an eye on the color as it begins to change. As the sugar mixture boils, resist the urge to stir it. Stirring can cause crystallization, leading to a grainy texture. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent hot spots. Watch for the color to transform from clear to a beautiful golden amber. This usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes. Once it reaches this color, remove it from the heat immediately. Now for the milk. Very carefully and slowly pour 1/4 cup of warm milk into the hot amber sugar. Be prepared for the mixture to bubble up intensely. This is normal. Stir continuously and vigorously with a whisk until the caramel is completely smooth and all lumps have dissolved. The warmth of the milk helps prevent the caramel from seizing. Continue stirring until it's a uniform consistency. Once your caramel is smooth and creamy, carefully pour it into a heat-proof bowl or jar. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature before using or storing. As it cools, it will thicken to a perfect consistency. You can store your homemade milk caramel in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's delicious on desserts, ice cream, or even in coffee. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.